Hello.
Hey.
Hello. Hello.
Hi everyone.
Ben here.
Teacher Liz here.
Teacher Julie here.
My name is Tim.
Teacher Tiffany.
This is Teacher Alyssa.
Teacher Meredith.
Today I am here to talk to you about how to become a successful VIPKid recruiter.
I got started recruiting right away, and I think there's a misconception that you need to wait until you're an expert, until you have all the answers to all the questions, but VIPKid does a great job providing that to applicants.
Make sure you are always cheering them on, especially after each phase, such as the interview, the mock lesson.
And one thing I like to do with my referrals is to send them a quick message, just welcoming them to VIPKid.
The first email that I send out is detailed. I try not to overload them with details because sometimes this process can seem overwhelming. But I like to ensure them that there is a real person on the other end of this email address.
Having that personal contact with these referrals kind of gets them comfortable with the whole process.
From how to fill out the application to their different options for the interview, through the mock certification center, to uploading all their documents.
Follow up with any questions that they have in a timely manner so that they can keep moving forward through the process.
A lot of them just need the reassurance that, yep, you can be a super reserved, laid-back teacher, but still connect with your students and do a great job. You can be a very hyperactive teacher who's more flamboyant and more dramatic and brings more excitement to the classroom that way. And you find students who love the whole spectrum.
You're there as a support, someone to answer questions, someone to practice with, and just someone to assure them that they can do this and they can get this great job.
I got started with referring just by sharing what I love to do on social media.
I use Instagram, LinkedIn, and primarily Facebook to share about my day-to-day VIPKid life with my friends and followers. This gives others an inside view of what it's really like to be a VIPKid teacher.
So I started thinking about how I can reach a larger audience. And so I thought about groups of people that I could connect with. So one large group of people that I connect with is male teachers. When I was going through the process, there weren't a lot of videos or male teachers creating content on the internet. So I made a Facebook group, I made some YouTube videos, and I reached a lot of people through those means.
I also love to share pictures of what I do throughout the day with my kids and make comments about how VIPKid helps me to do that, because I am able to stay home with them right now because of VIPKid.
So don't be afraid to share those funny sketches the students draw of you or the silly songs they teach you.
I also like to give my referrals my Skype address and offer to set up FaceTime meetings, because it is really helpful being able to run through these slides and being able to explain a slide in the best way, maybe to teach it and to hit all the objectives while face-to-face. I find it's a lot easier.
And even after they get their first class, helping them with all the details of being a VIPKid teacher really helps for referrals to know that you are there for them, even after they get hired, and that you are there to support them and help them be successful.
Be genuine, show what you're doing each day, and people will connect with that. If you are real with them, they will be more likely to reach out to you.
Provide value, be authentic, and just think about those groups of people that you can reach.
Stay in close contact with your referrals to support them every step of the way and to have face-to-face meetings.
If you are relaying naturally your enthusiasm for the job, they're picking up on that, and they feel like if you're that enthusiastic and you love the company, that they're going to feel that same way if they join the company too.
And I hope that you find yourself in a referral club very soon.
And have fun recruiting. It is a blast.
Show people what you do and they'll reach out.
Good luck!